What are free radicals and how do they negatively impact our skin, and why do we refer to them as little evil scissors? Well, we're going to get into all of that right now. It's summertime in the Northern Hemisphere, and with summertime comes sunshine. Sunshine brings with it a couple of things. One is UV rays, which is irradiation onto the skin. The other is free radicals. Another one is goofy watch tan lines, but we're going to get into those free radicals right now. Free radicals are unpaired electrons. And what I like to do is I like to imagine it as a molecule with little evil scissors on it, because their job is to actually seek out protein bonds and break them down or cut them up. Humans are not the only ones impacted by oxidative stress or free radicals. For example, if you take an apple, take a bite out of it, and you leave it out, you'll notice that that apple will turn brown. That is oxidative stress. Or what about copper, where it starts out nice orangey color or coppery color and it starts to turn green? Oxidative stress. Or your car starts to rust? Oxidative stress. There are many versions of aging, oxidation, oxidative stress. So in essence, when we break it down, it's not weird to say that as we age, we're rusting.